Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Atom to Cosmos. So basically this is my very first video and I have started this channel where I will teach about mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, bio up till 12th standard, and also I will go to bachelor's, I will go to masters, and I will try to cover each and every topic which comes under my concern. So here's the first topic. Here's the very first thing I am going to start today, which is motion. What is motion? Motion क्या होता है? Everything that comes under the concern of moving or changing its position through its frame of reference. अभी आप ये सोच रहे होगे ये फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस ये सब क्या है? सो बेसिकली मोशन शुरू करने से पहले हम समझेंगे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक्स जो है फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंसेस, हाउ द थिंग्स मूव्स, कौन सा ऑब्जर्वर होता है, कौन क्या होता है, हम सब समझेंगे इन ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग मोशन आई हैव फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. I would love if you will answer कि what is the position of this train? ये ट्रेन की पोजीशन क्या है? Like what exactly it's doing? Is it moving? It's standing? It's initial? It's at that one position? What is it? Everyone will have different kind of answer. So let me just answer that this position is initial, and to be precise we would call it as frame of reference. हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस. व्हाट डज दिस वर्ड फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस और both are the same thing. Okay, reference point and frame of reference. So what exactly that is? It is a place or an object used as reference to describe the position or motion of an object. What is this? This is an object, a moving train. Okay, what's its position? How will we describe that position? Let's go in detail. Suppose there's a tree. If I would say that the tree is the reference point or an observer to be precise, let's keep an observer. Here, it's me. So this is the observer and it's looking at the train. ये ट्रेन को देख रहा है. मतलब इसके जो ऑब्जर्वर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये जितना भी डिस्टेंस होगा, सपोज लेट इट बी 5 kilometers. Okay, this 5 kilometers is known as frame of reference of that point, and this distance is known as reference point. It is a place or an object used as a reference point to describe the position of a motion of an object. So अभी इस इंसान के लिए ये ट्रेन मूव कर रही है. Okay, so for him the train is moving. The train is in motion. What is motion? Anything that changes its position with the respect of the frame of reference, anything, any point, or any reference which sees or observe the moving object or changing its position is known as motion. Motion is nothing. Anything that changes its position is known as motion. कोई भी चीज अपना जो पोजीशन चेंज करेगी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस, जो भी उसको देख रहा है. सपोज दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वर. ही इज सीइंग द ट्रेन मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. फॉर हिम द ट्रेन विल पास like this and the frame of reference will stand here. But according to the person who is inside the train, for him, he is the observer, he is the frame of reference. That particular point is frame of reference. For him, the train will move backward. Oh, sorry, the trees will move backward. As the train moves in the forward direction, the observer, I'm good at drawing as well, right? So basically, the observer will find the trace moving in the opposite direction. So at that point, the frame of reference changes, the reference point changes. So reference point, in short, now you will understand this thing. Read it. It is a place or an object used as a reference to describe the position or a motion of an object. For this person, this train is moving in this direction. इसके लिए ये ट्रेन ऐसे जा रही है. सो इसके लिए तो ये पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है. बट फॉर द ऑब्जर्वर हु इज इनसाइड द ट्रेन, जो अंदर बैठा है, उसके लिए ये ट्रेन पीछे जा रही है. सो द रेफरेंस पॉइंट चेंजेस एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मोशन ऑल्सो changes. So basically, we can say that motion is relative. मोशन इज रिलेटिव, इट इजंट एब्सोल्यूट। ये जो हमेशा हर पॉइंट के थ्रू अगर उसका पोजीशन और उसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है तो मोशन रिलेटिव है। दिस इज द थिंग which shows about the reference point. And also, there are two types of motion. One is rest, one is motion. Basically, not two types of motion, there are two types of movements. One is at rest. When the train is standing here, it is said to be rest. What is rest? Anything that isn't changing its position, जो बहुत लंबे टाइम से, जैसे सपोज ये पेन मैंने यहाँ रखी and this pen, this highlighter is observed. It's observing this marker and ये after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आफ्टर 5 seconds ऑल्सो इट इजंट मूविंग, ये अपना पोजिशन चेंज नहीं कर रहा है। तो फॉर दिस मार्कर दिस इज at rest. And if this marker moves at 1 second in this direction, on the second second, this direction, on the third second, it moves to here, fourth, fifth, and sixth. At each and every second, this observer is observing this marker moving in left direction. So for this highlighter, this marker was moving and every second it was changing its position. तो हर सेकंड पोजीशन चेंज करता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मोशन. बेसिकली इट्स नोन एज मोशन. एंड एनीथिंग दैट डजंट चेंज इट्स पोजीशन, जो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करता है, ये 5 सेकंड के बाद भी इधर ही है, ये 1 आवर के बाद भी इधर ही है, तो इट इज नोन एज रेस्ट. So that's it for today. If you like my video, please subscribe our channel. And if you have any kind of doubt, please